Welcome to Shahi Effect.
Soman, the renowned actor, model, producer, fitness enthusiast, and what not. He has proven his style in everything that he does. Over to you, Milan. We are waiting to hear from you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Very, very, very happy to be here. Always happy to be at the launch of any running event and to participate in any running event. So thank you, Nagaraj, for inviting me, and thank you, UST, for having this initiative. And I remember the first time I was in Trivandrum was in the late 1970s. The late 1970s, swimming was very big in Kerala. I'm sure it still is. But I was a competitive swimmer at that time. That's how I know Reed. Reed and I know each other for more than 40 years now. Incredible. So I've known Reed since she was representing India as an athlete. Incredible person. So I'm very, very happy to be back. And it has taken a long time for the Trivandrum Marathon to start. Could have started 25 years ago. But it's never too late. India, of course, as we know, has the fastest growing running population in the world. Today, more people in India start running than in any other country in the world. It is really an incredible statistic, considering the fact that India doesn't really have a tradition of sport or exercise or fitness. Running has become very, very, very popular. It's almost like a gateway to health and fitness for people. And the interesting thing is, it's not about really about children or the youth. It is the middle-aged people who have sparked this revolution. And that is very important because whenever people ask me, if I have a message for the youth, I say I don't have any message for the youth. I have a message for the parents. And the message is that if you do something good, your children will follow you. That is very, very important for us to know. So usually what we do is we send the children to school, we send them to workshops, we send them to training, we say do this, we say do that, but we don't show them the right way, by example. Running is an opportunity for people to get together as a community, as a society, to show the younger generation, by example, what is a healthy and fit lifestyle. So of course Kerala, I think, has a great tradition of fitness. I mean, I came here a few months ago to promote Kalaripayattu. And they've got a great tradition of sport. And we have a lot of international athletes from Kerala today. But it's very important that we increase the pool of athletes where our sports people come from, where our Olympians come from. And that happens through mass events like this. So I'm very, very happy, very proud of UST for starting this initiative, and of Nagaraj and Reed for organizing such amazing events across the country. I'm very excited, looking forward to the 12th of October to be here and run with you all. And if it's already 10,000, God knows what the number is going to be. But I'm sure there's going to be a lot of energy, a lot of excitement, a lot of new runners, starting maybe with the shorter distances. I don't know what distances do you have? You have a half? I'll do the half. Okay. So 12th of October, I'll be running 21 kilometers here in Trivandrum with all the participants. I'm really, really looking forward to it. I wish the UST Trivandrum Marathon all the best for this year and for many, many, many more years to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching.